What's up guys, I'm Sean. Today I want to show you how to adjust the float switch to your pump. Let's start it. Okay, so we want to adjust this float switch. As you see, we have a water here. We want to empty that water much faster, and we want to float switch come on earlier. So to do that, so we have to make the float switch travel less. So as you see, you have to travel that much to make the pump come on. So we have to make something so that we travel less. So we are gonna put this wire protection. You can put anything you think, just to put something here, so we don't need to wait the water raise that much to turn on that. So it's gonna turn on much faster. There you go. Now the float switch just has to travel a little and the pump is starting. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe the channel. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home without paying anyone. Have a great day.